Hi, I'm going to show you how to filter a list in Excel. Now how this works, if we've got a nice continuous list with no gaps in it, we click underneath any one of the headers. If there are any row gaps in the list, we must highlight from the top row down to the bottom of the list that we actually want to apply the filter to. After that, what we do is we go to the Data tab at the top and then we click onto Filter just here. Now, once you click the button, can you see it adds into the top row of the list these sort of like drop-down boxes? Now, if I click back onto Data and then click Filter again, can you see that will remove those drop-down boxes? So this is kind of an on-off situation for this data. Now, once these drop-down boxes are in place, I can now pick any one of these column headers, pop the arrow down, and can you see we have a whole raft of options. Now the best one and the easiest to use, can you see, are these tick boxes down the bottom. Now if I untick in this case north and untick in this case west, it leaves me with east and south ticked. When I click OK, we are only looking at east and south. Now we know we've filtered on this particular column because the little button, can you see, now has a picture of a funnel on it. Now, if I want to further filter this list, I can now go to another column header, in this instance, let's say department, pop the arrow down, and now I just go along and tick and untick the items that I do or don't want to see in that list, click OK, and can you see it further filters that list? So this is filtering both by east and south, which we previously put in place, and it's also filtering to human resources, sales and administration. So these filters work together. They, as the picture suggests, they funnel down into one set of data. Now, if I want to remove those filters, I can either go next to the filter button, click the clear button. That will remove all of the filters in one go. So in fact, it will leave the filters up the top, but it will remove the ticks that you've done. Or on a case-by-case basis, I can pop the arrow down for, say, in this case, the department. If I want to, I can tick select all, or if I click here, clear filter from department. And can you see that removes the symbol of the funnel at the top of that, and we're only now filtering by the region. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove the region filter as well. Now, what you can also do with this is you can sort the list also. If I now pop the arrow down on any one of the column headers, can you see sort smallest to largest, sort largest to smallest? So this is not just filtering a list, it has the element of sorting. If we have colour in the list, we can sort by colour, and we also have the ability to filter by a colour as well. So that's a bit about some simple options within filtering of a list in Excel.